Bro, there are ants everywhere. Boy, you think you slick. Hello, beautiful people, YAZTV, and welcome to my life.
What up?
Hello. It's been a while. I know I haven't posted in a minute. This ant is literally talking to me. He's like throwing his antennas in the air like... Anyways. So we clearly have an ant infestation currently. And we sprayed the whole house, my room. I had to like take everything down. I don't know what to do with this dude. Come on. He's like super fast. Aw, he went down there. There he goes. There. Look. Aw.
Water on it.
This is embarrassing. I literally live in the woods, okay? So there's freaking ants. Okay. Now, hello, beautiful people. It's YAZTV. Welcome back to another video.
Water on it. Water on it. Watch how I drip. Oh, count it.
I'm gonna be vlogging today. I'm actually going to surprise my boo. Kind of. I did tell him we were having a picnic, but we've had a picnic before and it was kind of... I'm gonna make a real nice picnic this time. So I'm about to go to the grocery store to pick up some food, some cute little wine cups or some drinks. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. This is my outfit for today. I got like boxers on. Now, but these shirts are from Shein, I think. And then I have this top from Hollister. I'm not wearing these shoes, but I have this hat on just because my hair is not done yet, and I'm gonna do my hair when I get back home. So I just have this goofy little bucket hat on. Because I'm just going to the grocery store. So, yeah, I'm just going to go. Okay. It is hot. Okay, so since it's like 87 degrees today, in Michigan for whatever reason, because it's never hot here and it's usually snowing in the middle of summer. Anyways, it's super hot. I'm barely wearing any clothes because of that reason. And since it's still Corona time, we gotta make sure we stay sanitary out here if we're doing essential travel. Grocery shopping is essential, so that's why I'm just going grocery shopping and then I'll be outside all day. Like, it's not illegal, okay, guys, don't come for me. I do bring these wipes that are, they kill Corona apparently, so I just wipe down my steering wheel, make sure we're all happy campers here. I just wipe down everything I'm gonna be touching because, you know, other people drove this car and I don't know where they've been, what they've been touching. We also want to make sure that we are hydrated, so I have some water. I drink a lot of water every day. Okay. And buckle up, kids. Because we're not trying to die from the... You know what? We're not going to talk about dying, okay? But, you know, I like to color code my grocery list because I'm that girl. So let's go. I almost crashed in my driveway, everybody, and there's a whole family walking over there. I think I should go that way. My grocery list almost flew out the window. I literally almost had a heart attack. You know when the light turns yellow when you're like almost under it and you just stop? Like, I could have went through that. It's okay. I'm just being safe because y'all in the car with me. I'm just trying to be safe. I turned off my camera and there was this dude in the red car and he started staring like this. Like, he pulled up next to me and he was like this, like. One thing is, like, if you know me, just say hi. But another thing is, if you don't know me and you're gonna stare at me, just say hi to make it less weird, because when people stare at you, it's just weird. So if you want to stare at somebody, just say hi, you know? Makes it less weird. Thanks. let's go in the grocery store. We're at Kroger, baby. Everybody and their mama is here, so we gotta gear up, for real. Get that boy on there. Throw some gloves on, because we're not touching none of this stuff, honey. I got clear ones so I look less stupid. So yeah, let's get to it. It's hot. Okay, so I made it out. Time to sanitize again. But the funny thing is, every time I come here, there's a guy that does the carts, and I should have recorded it low-key, but I don't want to be weird. Like, he always comes up to me and says I'm beautiful. I don't know if he remembers who I am each time, because this time he said it like he said it last time, but this time he said it the same way. I don't know if he remembers me or not, but he comes and says I'm beautiful all the time, so I feel special, you know. The cart man says I'm beautiful, period. I told him my YouTube channel. Hopefully he subscribes. If you're watching this, you're beautiful too, my man. That's why I always put the carts away for cart people, because, you know, I appreciate them. So you should too. Anyways, let me stop dying in this heat and get back home. It's literally getting hotter and hotter by the hour, so I gotta go home and get ready. 2 pro tips. First, always buckle your purse, bag, or whatever you're carrying, keys, into the cart, so if somebody tries to steal it, I mean, they're gonna look stupid, right? So buckle that up, and then wipe down your phone with alcohol pad, because I did touch my phone while I was in there, because I knew Des would call me or something, and he did. So we're gonna meet in about an hour, so I probably have an hour and a half to get ready. But I did get some flowers. These are really pretty. They're $5 each, so I'm not trying to tax on some flowers. So yeah, let's hit the road, because I'm really sweating balls for real this time. I want to shower, but I'm gonna be outside anyway, so like, what's the point? But yeah, let's skedaddle. That was the cart man. I don't know if I got that on video, but the cart man said bye. I cry.
Maybe you wanted a new one anyway. To center. Harrison around the.
Out of pocket for that shit. Way out of pocket.
Everybody underneath. Food bags, restaurants. Was trying to long cross ice.
While I was at checkout, I have like a Kroger Plus customer card, because we are that big. But the lady kept asking me like, where's it from? Like, I don't know if I'm supposed to use it or not. So I just told her my mom worked at Kroger, but I was like, it's such a lie. I just lied to somebody today. Please God forgive me for lying about my mom working at Kroger. I'm so sorry. You know, that was I should have said like my boyfriend worked there or something. That would have made more sense, but sorry, Mom. Alright, so I just finished packing the cooler. So in the cooler we have a lot of food. I bought these cute cups. I got these pop firecracker things. Don't ask why, but I got them. And I have some sausage, some plates, this cake, because yesterday was our 6-month anniversary, so I saved this cake for him. I also have asparagus that I made, and cucumbers, some beef jerky, some Oreos, some yogurt, some pomegranates, and I made this bowl of berries, but it looks cuter. It had all the bananas in the middle before, and then like the raspberries on the outside, but I messed it up, so. And I have some cantaloupe, some tea, and some juice. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Dang, they're cutting grass out there, but he's also on his way right now, so I got water guns. I bought like 4 water guns, so we have some fun. So he's on his way. I'm about to get ready, get dressed pretty much, and we'll see what happens, how long it takes for him to get here. I don't know. So
12 seconds later.
A bug flew in the car.
Chill out.
It's an earwig. It went in the crack.
What is an earwig? What is that?
Ew, it's nasty. I don't know. Everything's touching me.
Babe.
It's out of sight, out of mind.
Not with me. The bug.
Babe, the bug is gone. Like I said earlier, safe.
Okay, I can't. This is bugging me. I can't.
It's bugging you? Ah! It's bugging you. Get it? Cause it's a bug. Cause it's a bug. Stop! That's not cool. That's not cool.
Alright, let's go. You hit my nuts.